Probable cause or reasonable suspicion. Many people get these two terms confused. Sometimes they use one when they actually mean the other. So what's the difference? What do these two legal terms mean anyway? In this video, I'll explain to you the difference between reasonable suspicion and probable cause. Hello folks, I'm Andrew Williams, and this is another edition of the Fedora Lawyer. I'm board certified in criminal law, and I've been practicing for 29 years. On this channel, I share my years of experience with you to help you better understand the law and use it to your benefit. Okay, the terms reasonable suspicion and probable cause are used interchangeably a lot. But what are they really? Reasonable suspicion is based on facts or circumstances that would lead a reasonable person to suspect that a crime was committed or was about to be committed. If an officer has reasonable suspicion, he can briefly detain you to determine if he's correct. But as soon as he figures out that you're not that person, you're not the one he's looking for, he has to let you leave and go on about your business. He can't just detain you indefinitely and snoop around. Probable cause, on the other hand, refers to the reasonable belief that a crime was committed and you committed it. It's the level of evidence or information that would lead a reasonable person to believe that you committed this particular crime. Probable cause serves as a safeguard against unlawful arrests and protects you against unreasonable searches and seizures. That's our Fourth Amendment right. An officer cannot arrest you on reasonable suspicion alone. He's got to have probable cause for the arrest. Probable cause is generally established through a combination of facts and circumstances and evidence that can vary depending on the type of crime. The evidence can include witness statements, physical evidence, surveillance footage, or any other relevant information that supports the belief that a crime has occurred and you're the likely perpetrator. Once probable cause has been established, law enforcement officers can make an arrest. A good example is if an officer sees you driving erratically, you're failing to stop for traffic signals, you're speeding. That's reasonable suspicion that you might be driving drunk. Based on that reasonable suspicion, the officer can pull you over for a brief investigative detention. Gee, this guy's probably driving drunk. He doesn't know, but there's a suspicion that you might be. But the officer may not arrest you unless there's further evidence of drunk driving to establish what is probable cause. Let's say you get pulled over. The officer finds that you got slurred speech, bloodshot eyes, you reek of alcohol. This guy might be drunk. I'm going to give him a few field sobriety tests. He gives you the field sobriety test and you fail them. Now he's got probable cause to arrest you. Reasonable suspicion gets you pulled over. Probable cause gets you arrested. So that's the difference between reasonable suspicion and probable cause. Reasonable suspicion is just enough to get you pulled over for further investigation. There is suspicion based on observable facts that you might be driving drunk. Speeding, weaving in and out of traffic, erratic driving. But it's not until the officer investigates further that there's probable cause to arrest you for drunk driving. And that would be failed severe sobriety tests, slurred speech, bloodshot eyes. And there it is. So now you have a basic understanding of what is reasonable suspicion and what is probable cause. I hope this helps you have a better understanding of the difference between the two, because there really is a big difference. You might also be interested in this video on what to do if you violate your probation. There's some interesting information in that. If this video was helpful, hit the like button for me. I plan on making lots more videos on all sorts of legal topics in the future. You can also visit my website at andrewwilliamslaw.com. For now, this is the Fedora Lawyer signing off.